Little Amy Club. I have my head, I can nod, nod, nod up and down.
I have my neck, I can turn, turn, turn left and right.
I have my shoulders, I can shrug, shrug,
Shrug up high.
I have my arms, I can stretch, stretch, stretch to the sides.
I have my elbows, I can bend, bend.
Bend my arms. I have my hands, I can clap, clap, clap with me.
I have my fingers, I can count, count.
Count numbers. I have my legs, I can walk, walk,
Walk around.
I have my knees, I can bend, bend.
Bend down low.
I have my feet, I can kick, kick.
Kick the ball.